Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be talking about, does Quillbot remove plagiarism? Now before we go ahead and do that, I just want to let you know, here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews, as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash that like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Okay guys, let's go check it out. Now what I'm going to be doing right now is doing a little bit of shameless self-promotion. As you can see, we have some t-shirts and other things like that, and here it is, Product Creation Formula, and it's ready to go. So I'll leave the link for this down in the description down below. Okay, let's move on. Now here we are at Quillbot. Well, if you don't know what Quillbot is, it's an article rewriter. Now one of the things we're going to be looking at today is I actually have basically a page called YouTube Advertising. Let's have a quick look at that. YouTube Advertising. Find out how you can maximize exposure with affordable YouTube video advertising. So that's the one we're going to be looking at. Now we're going to go past the introduction, which is this section here, and we're going to actually go and choose this one here. We're going to go here and we're going to copy all of this and go down. Oops, you only need to go there. We're going to copy all of that and place that straight into Quillbot. So here we are at Quillbot, and I'm just going to quickly put that straight in there. Now first thing I'm going to do is remove some of this white space. So as you can see, there's quite a lot of white space there, so I'll just remove some of that, and I'll be back in a second after I finish that. Okay, we're done. Now all I have to do is click Paraphrase. Now what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to put the original copy of the text straight into here, and we're going to have a look and see what this is like. Let's go hit Premium Search. Now I'm using Premium because it goes deeper and has a better look through the web to find what you're after. And as you can see, this actually has a couple of places where it's plagiarized. Now that was the original text from the ebook. So let's have a look and see what this is like using Quillbot. Now I'm not going to worry about reading it right this second, although I can. In 2017, YouTube revamped its AdWords, allowing advertisers to reach more viewers on YouTube, especially on mobile devices, where almost 50% of all YouTube views occur. In 2017, YouTube updates its AdWords, allowing marketers to access a larger audience on the platform, particularly on mobile devices, which account for over half of all YouTube views. Now that's really good. Let's have a look. Let's copy this entire text. See, it says copied text or text copy, so we can go click over here. Now let's place this in here and see if this is plagiarized. Go there. We'll hit Premium Search. Now before you go any further, I just want to let you know that when we first start using Quillbot, it'll usually be set to this one here, but if you go Premium, you can actually take it all the way up to here, which allows you to have a really good copy. And we're just going to go Control V. It's still readable, and it also makes it a lot less chance of being plagiarized. So let's have a look at this, and I can tell by looking at it straight away by the size of that bar that there are no issues. So as you can see, this one is completely unique. There are literally nothing there, so you can check that out, and you can add it to your ebook if you wish to. I might actually do that. I might just do that. I'm just going to go Control V, add that there, and there we have it. It's now added to this particular book. Also, to let you know, if you'd like a copy of Quillbot for yourself, just click the link in the description down below. Now you can get either a free version or you can use the paid version. I personally prefer the paid version because you get up to 10,000 characters. The free version, if you're not logged in, only allows 400 characters, and if you are logged in, only allows 700 characters. Where this way, you can actually get the entire thing with 10,000 characters. And as you'll be able to see a little bit later on, you can get quite a bit of text in with 10,000 characters at a time. Just say it's at a time, not 10,000 characters a day or 10,000 characters a month. It's 10,000 characters at a time. So you might want to do 10,000 characters, and then, you know, after you've done the plagiarizing check and you've done all your rewriting, delete all that, put another 10,000 characters in. You can do that, which means you can get your entire ebook done in about 5 or 10 minutes, which is pretty good. Okay, let's keep going. So let's go have a look at the next chapter. So I'm just going to copy over all of this. It's quite a long chapter by the looks of it. So I'm just going to copy over all of that. Go Control C. And let's put that into Quillbot. Now this is quite a lot larger, so we'll have a look there. Go Control V, see if it takes up 10,000 characters. Oh no, 4,812 characters, that's fine. Has it taken up much white space? No, it's fine. All good. What I will do, on the other hand, is hit Paraphrase, and we'll see what this is like. Now we're going to be putting the original copy in here as well. So we're going to place the original copy in here, and we'll see if this has any plagiarizing on it as well. So let's go there. Wait a moment and see what it comes up with. Yes, it comes up with from the original book. Okay, so let's go and have a look at this. Let's copy this. I'll make sure we hit Paraphrase. I'm not sure if I hit Paraphrase. Alright. It's coming up with 45 paragraphs. Yes, there it is. Let's now go copy. Now remembering we have it set to here. Let's have a quick read of this to see what it's like. Before you begin advertising on the YouTube platform, it's important that you understand the different options available. It's critical to understand the many alternatives accessible before you begin advertising on YouTube. That is brilliant. It doesn't look anything like each other. So let's go over here, click on there and go Control V. Now I'll just make sure I have copied this entire one, and we'll redo that again. Just to delete that, Control V, and we can hit Search, Premium Search. And in just a moment we'll have a look, and by the looks of it, there are no issues. So as you can see, it does not have a problem, and we can now get this going over to this particular one, and we can add this straight to here. Let's go Control V and hit Enter, and there we have it. Now I'm going to highlight over the top of this, take this up to all of the entire page, and then just fix something up that I noticed has happened. This might take a moment, so I'll pause the video until I do this. Okay, now what I've done, as you can see by that little arrow, that indicates that it actually has gone over to a style. In other words, a heading of some kind. I don't really want that to be a heading, I just want that to be normal. And of course, you know, I can check out the different fonts and so forth and check out what it's like here. So I'm going to just check out the font here, which is Calibri, and it's 16. So I can just highlight over top of that, make sure it's Calibri 16, and it should be fine to get started. So Calibri 16, and it'll be identical to the other one now, so that's fine. So as you can see, it is doing a fantastic job. If we want to, we can also remove any white areas, but I think we'll just take that down to the next page by clicking here and take it down. There we are. And now we have it. And all you have to do really is just, as you go across and you find the new ones, but make sure you do read it. because it is an AI, you do need to make sure it is keeping to what is being said. Currently there are 7 different types of YouTube ads. There are 7 types of YouTube advertising available right now. Okay, that's cool. TrueView stream ads, the most popular type of YouTube ads and the most common advertising format. So as you can see, that's kept that heading the same, but then these are the most common of all YouTube ads, the main advertising format. So yeah, it has completely changed it. And to be perfectly honest, there is absolutely nothing wrong with that. Now I would still read through it just to be sure, just to make sure that everything is right, because you don't want it to be, incorrect or anything like that. You don't want it to be wrong. Skippable stream ads. Okay. Alright, so in-stream ads that can be skipped. Alright, that's cool, but I'd probably change that to skippable stream ads. This is exactly what it says on the tin. This is just what it sounds like. Well, yeah, this is exactly what it says on the tin. That makes perfect sense in the context, because really, even though it's not really a tin, it's just a common phrase people use. Or it's exactly what it says, straight out of the box, all that sort of stuff. It may not be coming out of a box, but it gets the point across. I mean, you can change that as well. That's exactly what it says. And just get rid of on the tin. And it still makes it readable and perfectly understandable. So these are the sort of things you do. You just go through, have a quick look at what needs to be changed, just so as it makes it look like it's fresh new content. So yeah. Alright, if you like this video, please consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon, so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not share and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this video. Okay guys, thanks for watching and bye for now.